Knysna, a small town on the southern shores of South Africa, is home to ALTI, an award-winning aerospace company building some of the best long-endurance unmanned aircraft in the world. With eyes gazing up into the blue skies and our heads in the clouds, our feet remain firmly and proudly planted on a foundation built and perfected over the last decade. From raw carbon to flying aircraft, every aspect of production and assembly is carefully managed in-house by dedicated and certified technicians and teams utilizing next-generation manufacturing methods and advanced proprietary techniques and technologies. ALTI also features a world-class composite manufacturing facility along with all the tooling, expertise and resources needed to ensure the highest quality materials, components and performance of our aircraft. When it's time to fly, we understand better than anyone that our clients demand speed and reliability without complex and costly launch infrastructure or the need for a runway. Rapidly deploy and get airborne within minutes and stay airborne for hours with ALTI's world-leading vertical takeoff and landing technology and class-leading endurance and performance. Capture the data you need, where you need, like never before. Sir, make the change. Fly ALTI.